What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on MULN ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you all the pros and all the cons of my deep analysis of this company. And I will show you what should we expect from the fundamental standpoint in foreseeable future. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here. We don't have any new sessions and I've told you that we have this range of resistance and it is a golden pocket pattern, and if we'll break it, definitely we might see much more bullish pressure on this asset. And I have to say that I will continue with my technical analysis in just several minutes and I want to pay your attention on the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article. We are on insiderfinancial.com and this article was published just recently on March 13 and it says 8 reasons to buy MULN stock. And let's start one by one from this point. $30 million is not the valuation you'd expect for a company whose car beats Rivian and Land Rover. Despite the bearish pressure, there are many reasons to think that MULN should go back above the $10 mark soon. So $10 mark is the price target according to this data, and just keep this target in mind. So let's start one by one with these bullets. First of all, strong demand. Jason Putnam, VP of Marketing, said, "We've decided to increase the limit of the total number of 5 reservations from 5,000 to 25,000 vehicles due to the strong demand in the first 3 days of the show. By establishing a 25,000 reservation limit, this allows us to offer a very special trim option package that will only be available to our initial launch customer set." So 25,000 vehicles of pre-orders. Definitely it is a good number, but just remember this number and I will show you why it is concerning in my opinion. Next one, great product. MULN 5 is a nice looking EV SUV with impressive specifications. And I have to say that yes, it is quite a good car, and let me show you that it has a very good design and it has a very good performance for the compact SUV, and definitely with the launch of this car it might drastically improve the fundamentals of this company according to the sales. But first of all, let me show you that it is not the only product, and I have to say that the first vehicle will hit the road only in 2024 according to this information. MULN's first generation 5 EV crossover due in late 2024 is planned to launch with traditional lithium-ion cell chemistry. So, and definitely we have for more than 2 years to see this car on the road. Next one is their Dragonfly model, and for now it is only a prototype and we don't have any information where will it hit the road. And definitely this car has an interesting design, but its performance is not so outstanding. Let me show it to you somewhere here. It has 236 miles of range, 125 mile per hour speed limit, and 4.6 seconds 0 to 60 acceleration. Definitely it is not the best performance car on the market, but it is still quite interesting. So, and the third one is their commercial cargo van. And this van might hit the road in second quarter of 2022. And I have to say that for now, as you can see, this van is based on existing model and they just added some electrical components inside this vehicle, and this vehicle might be used only in short distances because it has only 160 miles range. So it is what it is, and let's continue with the next bullet. Improving finances. At the beginning of February, MULN said it was strengthening its balance sheet by securing $4 million in funding through a combination of initial drawdown of $2.5 million under a $30 million equity line from Ecosa Holdings LLC and debt financing from existing shareholders, bringing the total funding received over the previous 2 months to more than $40 million. So on the one hand, it is quite good numbers, but on the other hand, it is near to nothing if you compare it with the capital expenditures, for example, of Lucid Motor or Rivian or maybe even Tesla. Definitely it is not enough to launch their own plant. And let me show you their current facilities. On their official website we have this information that located 50 miles from Memphis, Tennessee, 120,000 square feet turnkey engineering facility on 100 acres, Center for Manufacturing Innovations and Validation, ability for light vehicle assembly. So this means this small plant cannot have the full cycle of production of the vehicles. This means they have to produce these vehicles somewhere else. Definitely they have to improve their manufacturing capabilities, and that's why I think MULN is far away from their plans to produce 25,000 vehicles. Next one, great partnerships, and no doubts about it, they have a great partnership. 5. Great technology. Yes, they have great technology, and in my opinion it is the key point that might drive the price of this asset higher, because just recently they provided an update on its next generation solid-state polymer battery technology, and this means this technology might be very attractive for other EV manufacturers to acquire MULN company. And this might be a strong competitive advantage. Next one, endorsement from experts and investors. Yes, they have a lot of endorsements, but I have to say that it is not enough to see only endorsements without any money, and that's why I think this bullet cannot be the catalyst. Next one, ambitious future. Yes, every company has an ambitious future, and I have to say that even Tesla had an ambitious future, but despite of this, in 2017 to 2019 they was about a month from bankruptcy, and on top of that, on 2008, when the $40 million loan and subsequent financing round finally closed on Christmas Eve 2008, Musk said the company was just 3 days away from bankruptcy, and this means it doesn't matter how high the ambitions are. The real thing is what will they achieve in upcoming future. Next one, fast growing market. No doubts about it, it is a very good market. And I have to say that for now, we have a lot of excitement from the retail investors related to this company. And let me show you that on Stock Tweets community, we have MULN ticker symbol on the first place on watchers section. And we have it's on the second place on the most active section. This means in upcoming sessions we might see massive spike in price, but unfortunately I don't think that it might last for a long time. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we have the range of $1.5 as our range of resistance, and it is the key point, because if we will break it to the upside, next range of resistance will be this previous swing high at a psychological number of $2 price point. And definitely if we will break the $2 price point, we will have a retracement. And this retracement might be your next accumulation point if we will go higher. But in my opinion, we have to take a closer look on this range. And first of all, we have to keep an eye on the volume. If the volume with the breakout above this range will be massive, definitely it will be the sign that we might hit higher targets. Otherwise, if we will have the decrease in price of the stock, definitely we should hold this range in order to remain at least partially bullish. And these are two key points for now. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!